All right, how's it going, guys? I'm about to go into the creek that I'm gonna fish today, and it's actually been a pretty long time since I've gone and fished a creek in Ohio. I've been slacking off pretty much all of September and the beginning of this October, so it's about, actually I don't even know the date, I think it's like the beginning of October right now, and I'm in a creek right now that's one I've been to a few times, but I am the farthest downstream that I've ever been with this one. So I'm bringing some heavier tackle here. I got my my medium action pole with 8-pound line on here, and it's like my mock smash stuff that I have. So I've used this in a lot of videos, and yeah, I'm hoping to get some pretty big smallmouth here, or largemouth, whatever's in this creek. It is kind of fall fishing, I think, right now. I don't really know because I've never fished in the fall, but we've had some cooler days, but then now it's warm again and back in the 80s and stuff. So I really don't know what's going to happen and what the fish are going to go for. So we'll have to try to figure that out as we go. All right, see you guys down the creek. Let's hope for some good action today. All right, here's the entry point here. You know, it looks like there may have been a path at one point, but somebody hasn't been here in a while. This could be Tick City. Oh boy. You're in Snake City. Okay, so people have been here. Where I live, it's pretty much impossible to find a spot that has never been touched. So I'm gonna start off with a crankbait here. This is just a square bill, shallow crankbait. And this one's got like a chartreuse color. So we'll see how that works. And if I don't catch anything within like 20 minutes, I'll probably switch it up. But look at this. Look at all that rock action there. That's awesome. I really feel like downstream could be good too, but it looks really, really deep. Like you may need a kayak at this point on. All right, we're gonna go upstream, see what's going on over there. Oh my gosh, I just saw a big smallmouth just swim through the rapids here, chasing a bunch of minnows and bait fish. It almost went for my crankbait. But they'll be in this ankle deep water here, I guess. That was crazy. All right, I am switching to a nedrig, surprise, surprise, but this time I'm gonna be using the little TRD chunk worm things from Z-Man. So these have worked pretty well for me in the past. There we go, there's our first fish, if I can get in. Oh, it's gonna be a green sunfish. It's a pretty small one, but no skunk today. Well, remains to be seen about the bass. There's another good pool right over there where that tall cliff is, so that looks pretty good. Ooh, nice area of rapids right here. Looks like a good deep pool. Finally. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, this guy got it like almost right at the end. I was beginning to panic I wasn't gonna catch anything. Look at that. Little smallmouth. This is actually the first good hole I think I've come across so far, besides that first bridge. Got something. Oh, that's a little bit bigger. Okay, getting a little bit bigger. Another smallmouth here. I think the trick was just getting to a good hole here. I'm also a little farther down, so not as many people make it wading this far, I don't think. Wow, I had a fish I didn't even know. All right, just a little guy, but it's a smallmouth. All right, I'm headed back. I would like to go upstream a bit more, but it's starting to get dark, so I gotta rush back. Don't want to be caught out here when it gets dark. Wow, there we go. I didn't think I was gonna catch another bass. I'm just on my way back right now, and I'm casting into little pockets that I saw on the way up that were pretty decent. And there we go. So the crankbait I was using was probably just a little bit too big for most of the fish in this creek, so nedrig was the way to go. I just like trying out new lures, seeing what happens. Ah, there we go. He's a little bit bigger. I think the biggest one I caught was a bit upstream. This one's cool though. Probably the second biggest I've caught today. This chunk worm thing is working out pretty well for this creek. Here's another one. Right in that same pocket. Oh, it's a rock bass. Ow. Look at that little guy. I've caught a few rock bass out of this creek. This one doesn't have the black band as noticeable as some of the other ones I've caught. Okay, I'm back at the bridge. Let's see if anything will go for a nedrig. I'm probably gonna lose this too, because there's snags everywhere. There is something right down off that cliff. Cool. Just a little smallmouth. Ooh, I don't know if you can see this like stripes there. It's got a bunch of spots and stripes. Pretty much just like what we've been catching. Oh, now you can really see it. Look at that. All right, it's gonna be it. Ow, it's gonna be it. All right, that's gonna be the end of this fishing trip here. So not bad actually. Little slow at the beginning there, but once I tied on the nedrig, things picked up from there. So I got about, I don't know, maybe close to 10 smallmouth, got a rock bass in there, and then a little green sunfish. So definitely one of the better fishing trips I've had recently, especially in September and October. It's been pretty rough. All right, hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more coming up in the future. Bam. Whoa. Got one. Yeah. I think it's probably rock bass. Oh no! It's a largemouth. That's a pretty good one. Yeah. Dang. That's a pretty good one right there. Holy crap. Look at that. I don't know, half a pound maybe. It's really, he's like kind of wide though. Nice. That's what you want to see. All right, Jamie.